Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to our off-grid Quinta Tranquila. And just a quick update really. We got our depósito deposited on Saturday. Surprise, surprise. So there it is, up there, plumbed in. And so as I said, it runs down the hill and it tees off, and there's a run down there, and then there's a run comes all the way up here, but I'm short of pipe, so where we are going to construct a shower block somewhere in this area here, and then a cozinha in that area there, is going to be the foundations for our dome. Obviously I did the center line yesterday just to give me the center point where the spirit level goes across that way. That's the center point there. That's 3.6 radius to the extremities, and yeah, because the timber's ordered, the carpenter's ordered, and not next week, because I think it's tipped lots more wet stuff, biblical proportions, for next week, so it'll be the week after, and he's in the workshop anyway, oiling all the timber, and we've got European spruce rather than anything Portuguese, and yeah, so that's what's going to go down. There's going to be floor joists run that way, and then purlins run the opposite way, and then the floorboards run the same way as the big bearers. So there you are. That's what we've been doing, and it's bloody hard work, especially for somebody like me who's not used to it. However, it is rewarding, and that's where we are today. So catch you later. Cheer logo. That's the pad foundations done for the geodisic dome. I'll pause it now, and hopefully I'll suss out how to edit it properly without all the cock-ups and yeah, you know what I mean. A ti logo. So before I finish up altogether, tidy up after myself, so this is how the dome people, and I might put their details in the description for anybody that's interested in going that way. Pacific domes, but they don't send you the definitive. There's two sets of plans. There's you can do the nomad floor plan, which is a you can, that's so that your camp's mobile, your dome is mobile, so you can decamp as and when, demobilize or remobilize as and when. And the floor comes in series of cheese blocks, cheese wedges, or you have this one, which is a floor joist plan. And yeah, well, we went for the floor joist plan because we intend sticking around for a while. So, as I said, had I realised, I would have, this area here, from this centre line of pad foundations to the west, I would have cut and filled these two areas here. For obvious reasons, you can see these are sticking up in the air and they've been dug right in. So anyway, that's my stuff. I'll take responsibility for that. Catch you later.